An encounter broke out between security forces and terrorists in the Chanapora area of Srinagar on Thursday. In a tweet, Kashmir Zone Police said the encounter started at Chanapora area in Srinagar. Police and security forces are on the job. Further details shall follow. Meanwhile, there were no fresh exchanges between the army and the terrorists hiding in the Narkhas forest of Mindha subdivision in the Poonch district on Thursday. On Wednesday morning, security forces and terrorists had traded heavy gunfires followed by a low-intensity blast at around 4:37 p.m. The operation in the Rajouri-Poonch belt has become the longest ever with highest number of casualties of army personnel in recent years. Officials, on condition of anonymity, said that the terrorists were well trained in guerrilla warfare and were using the thick forest with natural caves for their advantage. With the number of COVID-19 cases going down in India and the majority of adults vaccinated with at least one dose, there is no urgency to inoculate children against the infection, according to health experts. As in the Narendra Modi government is exercising extraordinary caution before kick-starting a vaccination drive for children, scientists and health experts have echoed the similar advice. According to Dr. Gagandi Camp, vaccine expert, there are many unanswered questions that India need to deliberate on before it starts vaccinating children below the age of 12. In the view of the easing coronavirus disease situation in Mumbai, the city's civic body BMC has allowed cinema halls, drama theatres and auditoriums to reopen from Friday with strict coronavirus protocols like the mandatory use of face masks and social distancing. In 3 separate orders, the BMC issued earlier this week the standard operating procedure or SOPs for the reopening of these establishments that are set to gradually bring city's entertainment and cultural landscape back on track after a prolonged period of closure due to the infectious disease. The Maharashtra government had allowed amusement parks to reopen without any water rides from today. A man was arrested for allegedly assaulting a chicken seller and breaking his leg with a rod after the latter refused to give him a chicken for free at Singhu border on Thursday, according to the police. The accused has been identified by first name as Naveen from Karnal, Nihang Sikh. The incident took place on Thursday afternoon when one Manoj Paswan was carrying some chickens on a cart for a delivery. The police said that the accused asked the chicken seller to give him a chicken, and when he refused, the argument broke out. The Financial Action Task Force or FATF announced on Thursday that Pakistan will remain on its grey list where it has been since 2018 and will now be joined by Turkey. This means increased monitoring on money laundering, terror financing and proliferation financing of these countries. The announcements were made by FATF President Marcus Plyer in a virtual press conference from Paris.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.